These non-standard forms were made possible through a CNC machine purchased specifically for this house project. Prototypes were made for the production of custom window frames and furniture, the acoustic ceiling of the living room, the pool formwork, and the concrete shell using this technique. Located in an olive grove in southern Peloponnese, Greece, this summer residence is characterized by a Y-shaped green roof that functions as an accessible extension of the terrain, while framing the most significant views from the inside out. The domed shape allows its owners to climb up onto the roof, from where they can observe the agricultural land, as well as the nearby mountains and coastline. Its layout sought to activate the entire periphery of the building, instead of only favoring panoramic sea views. The three-pronged concrete shell that forms the roof also frames 3 courtyards at ground level, which catch the sun at different times of the day. The western courtyard is designed for use between breakfast and noon. The eastern one is ideal for sitting at lunchtime, and the southern one is for use from late afternoon onwards. The facades curve inward to give these terraces the benefit of the shade provided by a concrete lip that defines the grassy roof. One of the courtyards houses an I-shaped pool and deck, while another forms a gravel patio. The final segment hosts a sunken seating area. The interior spaces are organized into 2 main parts, a more private area containing 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with views to the east, and a more common area facing south, containing the kitchen and the living room, which offer continuous access to all 3 courtyards. The 150 square meter Villa Ypsilon was designed by London and Brussels-based firm LASSA, which is headed up by architects Theo Sarantoglu Lalas and Dora Swijt. The form is the result of design decisions. In this case, the domed concrete shell is structural. Its intersecting axes frame specific views, its sloping form makes it walkable, and its extent is the result of environmental optimization. The height of the house is limited to the tip of the olive trees to allow for its integration with the surrounding landscape.